What is going on, fam? Join me for this quick 5-minute stretch. Get some space, get a yoga mat, and get comfortable. Let's go. So first stretch is an alternating side bend. You're going to sit down with your legs crossed, and you can alternate side to side, reaching for the opposite side, just like I'm doing. Make sure you feel that stretch in your lats. Perfect. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the second stretch is for our neck. You're going to pull your neck with one hand towards your shoulder, and you're going to switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Yeah, fantastic job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you're going to put your hands together and push it back using your hands against your chin, just like I'm doing here. And you're going to try put some resistance. Nice. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next stretch, we're going to thread the needle. So you're going to pick a side and start from one side. So you're going to place your one hand between your hand and your leg and stretch your back. There we go. Thread that needle. Let's go. So you can pause in that same position and then go again and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now you're going to switch and do the same on the opposite side. Perfect. Good job. And you're going to hold that position for a couple seconds. Great job. Nice. Good job. Yeah, fantastic job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the next stretch is going to be the cobra pose. With the cobra pose, you're going to lay down flat and you're going to push yourself using your hands until your hands are straight and your hands are locked. Feel free to move around your shoulder blades. This will help relieve any tightness in the shoulder blades. Okay, let's go again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is a low lunge stretch. Stretch your quads and stretch your hips. Open up the hip flexors. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you're gonna stretch your hamstrings. You're going to sit on one leg and stretch out the opposite leg. Beautiful. That's the stretch. Feel that hamstring stretching. Let's go. Nice. Almost there. Now switch sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to do a low lunge on the other side. Good job. Almost lost my balance there. Good job. You're doing a good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to switch the hamstring again. Sit on your back foot and keep the front leg stretched. Want to stretch the hamstring. Perfect. Great job. That's the stretch. Feel that hamstring stretching. Yeah. And you can try touch your toes and pull them back. Now bookmark this video and come back tomorrow. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button.